Unplanned downtime often starts with small hidden changes in machine behavior, vibration, heat, or shock that go unnoticed until it's too late. In today's RS Product Spotlight, we're featuring the Multi-Physics Box from SICK, a compact condition monitoring sensor designed to give maintenance and operation teams early insight into machine health and help prevent costly equipment failures. The SICK Multi-Physics Box delivers multi-parameter conditioning monitoring by combining vibration, temperature, and shock sensing into a single rugged device. Installed directly on or near critical assets such as motors, pumps, conveyors, gearboxes, and fans, it continuously monitors operation conditions and detects early signs of mechanical wear, imbalance, misalignment, or bearing degradation. Instead of relying on time-based or reactive maintenance, the Multi-Physics Box enables predictive, condition-based maintenance, helping teams catch issues early, reduce downtime, and extend asset life. What sets the Multi-Physics Box apart is how much intelligence it delivers in one compact sensor. Simultaneously measure of vibration, shock, and temperature, providing a more complete view of machine health than single parameter sensors. Pre-process easy-to-interpret data in both time and frequency domains, reducing analytic complexity and data volume. Configurable thresholds and multi-stage alerts, including vibration monitoring, aligned with ISO 10816-3 guidelines. IO-Link communication, allowing seamless integration into automation systems, condition monitoring platforms, and IIoT architectures. Rugged stainless steel housing with protection up to IP68, designed for harsh industrial environment and wide temperature ranges. And flexible mounting options, screws, adhesives, or magnetic, making deployment simple, whether for permanent monitoring or quick diagnostics. The Multi-Physics Box creates value across multiple teams. Engineering teams simplify system design by replacing multiple sensors with one standardized solution. Integration teams benefit from faster installation and scalable deployment across machines or lines. Operation teams gain continuous visibility into machine health to support stable production and improve OEE. And maintenance teams receive early warnings that reduce emergency repairs, unnecessary servicing, and spare parts consumption. If you're looking for a more reactive maintenance to data-driven reliability, the Multi-Physics Box from SICK delivers powerful conditioning monitoring in a single, easy-to-deploy sensor. Explore the Multi-Physics Box on RS, or contact our RS engineering support group to see how it can fit into your predictive maintenance strategy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more RS Product Spotlight videos like this. Thanks for watching.